Okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. The Ram 1500 Revolution BEV Concept features an exterior design that is strikingly beautiful, or brutal yet beautiful, an animated and modernized RAM badge adorn the all-new face of Ram, which features a fully animated LED tuning fork design. The doors have been reimagined in a Grand Salon style opening that showcases a cavernous occupant space without a B-pillar. Bright LED lights have been cleverly integrated into the front bumper flares, and advancements in lighting are highlighted by fully animated LED tail lamp and badging, building on Ram's reputation as North America off-road and performance truck leader. The Ram 1500 Revolution BEV Concept features an integrated fascia design with a skid plate and new 5-footing tow hook that can sit flush. The Ram 1500 Revolution BEV Concept features all-wheel drive capability and is powered by two electric drive modules or EDMs, which are positioned toward the front and rear of the vehicle, maximizing interior space and enabling the cavernous front. Designed to accommodate larger capacity EDMs, the Ram 1500 BEV Concept offers the potential for future high-performance application. Some unique technology features on the Ram 1500 Revolution BEV Concept include the vehicle personal assistant, Mayday, cabin mode, advanced augmented reality, intelligent storage app, adjustable and removable lower display, smart home control, advanced camera and sensor system, exterior projector, and autonomous capabilities. Based on the company SDLA frame platform, the Ram 1500 Revolution BEV Concept features a body-on-frame design that incorporates the battery pack efficiently. Adjustable air suspension enables 3 different modes: ingress or egress, aero, and off-road.